How to set up Manychat on Instagram. Setting up Manychat on Instagram is one of the ideal action that you can do to automate messaging and boost audience engagement. Now, here is how we are going to do it. It's actually very simple. The first thing that we are going to do really is to go to manychat.com. You're just going to go ahead and register your own account here. Now, once you have already registered and you are seeing something like this, you're going to go ahead and click the automation here. Now, we're going to go ahead and click new automation. And this time we're just going to go ahead and basically look for some templates here. These are templates that you can really use right now, or you can go ahead and create your own from the scratch. I'm going to go ahead and begin from the scratch. Alright, so here's how we are looking at it right now. So I have already connected my Instagram, so this Instagram right here, to this particular profile. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit new trigger, and we're going to go ahead and choose between the following. For example, here, post or reel comments. User comments on your post or reel. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And then here, which post or reel do you want to use in automation? You're going to go ahead and choose. Say for example, this one. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and click continue, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a specific keywords that are going to be used in that comment. Or if you don't like that, you can go ahead and choose any comment just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Now here, would you like to set up public reply in the feed? So it's up to you. You can go ahead and click yes, and then basically use or type your own new reply, or you can set this to no. Say for example, I'm going to set this to no because what I want is to basically go ahead and PM them or personal message that particular user. Click save. Alright, now that we are done, we're going to go ahead to the message. I'm going to click add text, and I'm just going to go ahead and basically type here, hi, thank you for the comment. Alright, just something like that. After doing so, I'm going to click done, and this is how it is going to look like. Now, once you're done with that, go ahead and click go live or set live here, and we are ready to go. So to test it out, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular user here, or one of my Instagram. I'm just going to go ahead and look for that username. Alright, and it is this post. As you can see, it doesn't have anything yet. And I'm also going to go ahead and open the message in order to show you that there's no any message here related to that particular person. Alright, so this is the person. Alright, there's nothing in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some comment in here. Again, any random comment is going to be okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some 3 dots here. Click post. And we're going to go here. So if we are going to refresh this one, alright, just like so. As you can see, now we are seeing something like this. So if we are going to go ahead and click this one here, you can see that now we are asking for an update. So yep, that is how you're going to set up Manychat here on Instagram. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.